Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to change language in LinkedIn. If you want to change language in LinkedIn, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So what here you actually want to do is to change your language, make sure to update the app to the latest version. So head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, you simply want to type in LinkedIn. And when you do this, you want to make sure to click on the update button. If the application is completely up to date, you want to make sure to go to the home page. And this is where the interface will take. So now what you have to do is you simply want to tap on the Me section from the top left corner of your screen. Go to Settings from the drop down menu. And then you want to make sure to click on Account Preferences. When you go to the Account Preferences, underneath you have a General section or General Preferences. There you could see Language and Content Language as well. Now accordingly, what language you want to change, you could go ahead and make changes with the language on this page, or you just want to make sure to click on it and then click on the Change button if you want to do it so, and click on the Save button after you're done making changes. And that is how you'll be able to change language in LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.